recording a live on YouTube. And folks, this is the first time in my life I've seen the solstice sun rising. So let's just get to the exciting moment. Let's just do a bit of a commentary. So I'm in West Wales. It's 5:10, and on YouTube, those that are actually lucky enough to be watching this now. I know it's 5:13 on Solstice Day, 21st of June, 2026. First time in my lifetime that I've actually seen the sun rising. There's a few people online. Edwards, hello guys. We've got a live. This is an actual live in West Wales. This is a live in West Wales. Now you're watching a live solstice. On the 21st. How do I say the 21st of June 2026. This is the sunrise in the first solstice, 20th of June 2026. Please like and subscribe. Join my channel.